Welcome ladies and gentlemen to a brand new Memi video. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest news and products. Memi is a manufacturer and designer of security products and tracking devices. And today we believe we have something that all fleet companies need. The TrovaCam is a dashcam on steroids. It comes with a full HD two-way view camera. It's always connected via 4G. It has various alarm functions and a built-in GPS. It supports two-way audio communication. You can log in from anywhere at any time and have an immediate live view of your vehicle. The TrovaCam is fitted with two-way audio communication, so you can speak and listen to your driver. All of this while being able to track your vehicle. The interior covert camera allows you to see what the driver is busy doing and if there's any unwanted passengers. An added benefit is being able to see what's going on in the rest of the vehicle. While on our short drive, you will see the HD wide-angled view. You can live stream this view at any time from anywhere. All of this while being able to track the vehicle as it drives along. As you can see on the screen, the coordinates and speed is displayed. The vibration sensor will notify you as soon as the vehicle is bumped, shook or towed away. As you can see, with real-time audio, video and tracking, you can stay in total control of your vehicles and your drivers. If you have a company with vehicles, I'm certain that you already see the need for this product. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to stay up to date with the newest products from Memi. The TrovaCam is just another brand new problem-solving, innovative product from Memi. Who else?